Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change function keys behavior on this laptop. So function keys are these ones, and if you want to change their primary and secondary functions, swap their places, what you have to do is open the BIOS menu. In order to do that, turn on your PC by holding the power button until the power indicators turn on. Then start pressing F2 key until BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then using right arrow key, navigate to main tab. In the main tab, use down arrow key until you hit function keys mode. Press enter to change this value, and then select special function mode. This way the function keys will perform their special functions by default, which means that F1 will enable airplane mode by default, F2 will turn off the system sounds, F3, F4 will change the system sound, F5, F6 will change brightness, and so on. If you want to return to standard mode, press enter and select standard mode. Now in order to apply settings, press F10 and enter, and in order to discard changes, press escape and enter. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.